With time, Priya slowly learned to speak about her pain without shame or apology, a process that unfolded gently rather than suddenly. Her words came hesitantly, often breaking midway, as memories surfaced unevenly, but Rahul listened without interrupting or attempting to fix what could not be undone. He learned patience the difficult way, realizing that protecting someone sometimes meant absorbing their pain quietly, without judgment or solutions. Months passed, and gradually the legal threats faded into silence. The sender disappeared, and the constant fear that once governed their days loosened its grip. Scars remained, etched deeply into memory rather than daily life. Their marriage grew quieter and more honest, shaped by survival rather than illusion or expectation. They began celebrating small victories, peaceful mornings without fear, shared meals eaten slowly, moments of laughter that returned unexpectedly and lingered longer each time. Rahul came to understand that Priya had told him the truth early on, just not the depth of pain behind it. What once felt like concealment revealed itself as self-preservation. Understanding replaced resentment, and forgiveness followed naturally. He forgave her for the silence she had needed to survive. She forgave him for moments of doubt, when fear had briefly clouded his strength and certainty. Their love changed in form, shading its naivety and becoming aware, grounded, and resilient. It was no longer built on promises spoken easily, but on proof earned through endurance and consistency. Together, they learned that love was not about saving each other from pain, but about standing side by side when saving was impossible. What remained between them was not perfect or untouched, but deeply real, tested by time, and firmly rooted. Their marriage did not erase scars or rewrite the past, but it held those scars gently. And in that truth, their love endured, lasting beyond fear, doubt, and everything they had survived together.